Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurya Wannita. I'm from local A2. My NPM 2040601083. This is my video for final test. Ecology comes from Yunan, which consists of two words, is oikos and logos. Oikos is house or place to live, and logos is science. Ecology is a science that studies the interaction between living things and its environment. Sea resources are resource covering the extensive scopes that occupy marine life, flora, and fauna, ranging from water to up to tidal areas in the highland and extensive estuary areas. Resources can recover are various types of fish, shrimp, seaweed, including coastal cultivation activities and marine cultivation or mariculture. Resources can recover are mineral, mining material or excavation, petroleum and gas. The International Marine Law in the United Nations based maritime zone on the law of the sea, or UNCLOS. UNCLOS is a state agreement approved by the United Nations and has begun to be formed in 1958, with format for intermanagement agreement that regulate activities which included 1. Territorial sea and additional zone. 2. Fisheries and biodiversity conservation in the high seas. 3. Continental. 4. Land sea. Ecosystem is a reciprocal relationship between living things in an environment that influence each other, forming a flow of energy, a clear biotic structure, and cyclical matter between living things and non-living components. Meanwhile, tropical marine ecosystems are interaction between organisms and the environment in tropical marine water. The general characteristic of tropical seas is the sunshine through the years and two seasons. The advantage of tropical seas are high diversity of organisms, abundant source of nutrition, mineral and marine products. Treatment of tropical marine ecosystem. 1. High salinity level. 2. High temperature. 3. The sunlight penetrates very well. 4. Continuity habitat are interconnected with each other. 5. The community consists of monoculture. Tropical marine ecosystem interaction. 1. Physical interaction. The mechanism of physical interaction in mangrove forests, seagrass, and coral reefs is wave energy reduction, sediment reduction, regulation of water supply, both seawater and fresh water from river. 2. Vertical organism matter interaction. High protein food for land marine biota in the form of small fragments on coral reefs. The origin of fragment is mostly from the interaction of organic matter particles that enter the ocean in the form of dissolvable organic matter from land that accumulates and hardens. The rest come from detritus from dying mangrove and seagrass leaves. All particle organic matter is destroyed by mangrove biota. 3. Biota migration interaction. Short-term food migration. This migration is usually carried out by adult biota. These are two strategies: is age first or using a sheltered habitat system such as urchins, and migratory feeders having a certain time to do, such as a sniper foraging at night in seagrass beds. 4. Human impact interaction. Damage due to human activities in form activities. 1. Conservation of mangrove forests (PORFON). 2. Oil pollution. 3. Tourist activities that do not pay attention to AMDAL. 4. Installation of boat anchors that damage coral colonies. Tropical marine ecosystem type R1. The mangrove forest. The mangrove forest is a halfit, meaning to have high tolerance to level of salinity of seawater and is alkaline. Mangrove ecophysiology. 1. Survive with a high concentration of salt. 2. Desalination, water maintenance. 3. Root specialization. 4. Reproductive. 5. Response to light. 2. Seagrass. Seagrass is the only flowering plant that is able to adapt full in water with salinity. This plant have rhizome, vellus, root, and breed with seed and shoot. This ecosystem is in the water of pram that get enough sunlight and abundance of high nutrition, because it is a transition of land and sea. This ecosystem is in the water of pram that get enough sunlight and abundance of high nutrition, because it is a transition of land and sea, so that organic production is high. The ecological characteristic of seagrass. 1. Found in sloping water. 2. Able to live in deep or of the 3 meter in calm and protected water. 3. The lowest limit of tidal areas near mangrove forests or in the plain of coral reefs. 4. Depends on sunlight. 5. Able to do metabolism optimally if the whole body is submerged in water. 6. Able to live in aquatic water. Function and roles of seagrass ecosystem. 1. As a producer. 2. Biota habitat. 3. Sediment catcher. 4. Nutrition. Other types of living: mollusca, crustacea, and porifera. The last is coral reefs. Coral reefs are ecosystems at the bottom of the tropical sea, built by lime-producing marine biota, especially the type of rock and lime algae. The function of coral reefs: 1. Habitat various types or marine species. 2. Medical and pharmaceutical bioactive material. 3. The function of coral reefs. The function of coral reefs: 1. Habitat various types or marine species. 2. Medical and pharmaceutical bioactive maritime. The function of coral reefs: 1. Habitat various types or marine species. 2. Medical and pharmaceutical bioactive material. 3. Coastal border protector from current.